What is up, guys? We are here at Freeport, Bahamas at Viva Wyndham Fortuna Beach. This is a second video that I'm making. This video will have a little bit of a walkthrough of the room and some of the amenities at the hotel. Viva Wyndham Fortuna Beach. So this is where we are staying at. Just walking in. The beach room. Let's see. 2 beds, just in case you need another bed. A refrigerator. It's your boy. Alright, got a little balcony. That's what you want to call it. Beachfront. Oh, watch your step. Out of Bahamas is looking to die. Nice, real nice. See that ocean water? Alright. Please supervise your children. I mean, they have to put other signs to let you know. Check out. Oh, did we lock ourselves out? No, we didn't. Back in here. Let's check out this bathroom where all the magic happens. No garbage in here, just in case you didn't know. Only paper is toilet paper. Put it up, put it up. Long time no see. Be back. So for some of the free amenities, it's really not too bad here. This is a catamaran that we went out on the water, me and the wife, honey babes, and it was pretty decent. You get a captain, that's the captain right there taking the boat out. That's your boy chilling out on the open ocean, Atlantic Ocean, looking crazy. Yeah, that water nice and blue, y'all already know. We had a good time out here, for real. So not only do they have the beach activities here at Fortuna Beach, they also have some other extracurricular activities, like archery, for example. Honey Babe's over here taking her best shot. And you got your boy over in the background. He's not really doing nothing, but you know, he's here. He getting a check. Almost like the perfect job, if you ask me. Yeah, man. And then the highlight of my trip was the trapeze. They give you a little 5-minute crash course, and then they send you on your way. Here go your boy on it. Watch him. Scale of 1 to 10, how did I do on this joint? Y'all let me know. No shade, for real. Just tell me, 1 to 10, how I did on the trapeze. One thing you need to realize about Viva Fortuna Beach, this joint is all you can eat. Exclusive, all inclusive. So you already know the meals was going crazy. Appetizers, 3-course meals. Oh man, getting it in the whole time. I literally came back 10 pounds heavier. It was crazy. So when it comes to Viva Fortuna Beach, I ain't gonna lie, man. We had a really good time. I do recommend this for anybody that's going to the Bahamas. If you're trying to stay on a budget, this is an all-inclusive resort, so you got everything included. You can always leave the resort and go around the Bahamas and Freeport, but you could do everything here. They got it all. So I would recommend, and we will be back to this joint. So stay tuned for that next one. Love y'all. Later.